In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new site on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're looking to establish a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or simply want to experiment with the tools, Google Sites is an excellent choice for beginners because of its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with other Google services. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Sites. Once you're logged into your Google account, you'll be taken to the Google Sites homepage. Here, you'll see a dashboard presenting you with a variety of templates and options. This is your starting point for creating a new site, and it's all set up to make navigation as intuitive as possible. Now you'll want to click on the big, unmistakable plus button at the bottom right of the page. This button starts your new site and opens a blank canvas where you can unleash your creativity. Once you're in, the first thing to do is to give your site a title. This is essentially the name of your site, the headline if you will, so make it catchy and relevant to the content you plan to share. After setting up the title, it's time to have some fun with the design aspect of your site. Google Sites offers several theme options, allowing you to tailor the look and feel to match your brand or personal style. Simply click on the Theme button located in the right-hand panel. Browse through the themes and color palettes available, and select the one that best suits your vision. Next, let's add some structure to your site by incorporating additional pages. Click on the Pages tab, also located in the right panel. This is where you can organize your content into sections like About, Contact, Services, or any other category you find necessary. To add a page, click the plus button and type in the name of your new page. It's really that simple. When you're ready to add content, click on the Insert tab. This powerful tool lets you drag and drop elements such as text boxes, images, and even embed content like videos and maps. Take your time to experiment with different elements to see how they enhance your site. After all your hard work, it's time to make your site live. Click the Publish button on the top right corner. Before you publish, you'll be prompted to pick a unique site name that will form part of your site's address. Make sure this is something easy to remember. Once you've done that, just click Publish again, and voila, your site is live. You can even preview it by clicking on View Published Site, ensuring everything looks just the way you envisioned. And that's it. You've successfully created your own Google site. Enjoy sharing your new online space with the world.